Children, chapter 11, constructions. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle y equal to 30 degree, angle z is equal to 90 degree, and xy plus yz plus zx equal to 11 centimeter. So what is the meaning of this question? Perimeter of the triangle is given, that is 11 centimeter, and a 2 base angle is given. With the help of this, we have to construct a triangle XYZ. So in this chapter, you have already learned the construction of the triangle when a sum of two sides are given, base angle and base is given, and similarly difference of two sides are given and one base angle and base is given. Now this time what is given? The perimeter of the triangle is given and two base angles are given. By using this one, we have to construct a triangle. So roughly we can get the idea, that is perimeter is 11 centimeter is given. So since xy, yz, zx, xyz is a triangle, so xyz we are not using. What we are using? We are drawing PQ equal to 11 centimeter. That means equivalent to which one? Equal to its perimeter. So PQ total length is equal to 11 centimeter only. Now what is the base angle is given? 30 degree and 90 degree. So at P 30 degree we have to, and at Q 90 degree we have to construct. So here whatever angle is given, that only we have to. Now the next step is the important step. What do we have to do? Draw the angle bisectors. Here angle bisection to be done by drawing the angle bisectors. That means each is divided into 15 degree, right? And here what happens? It is 45 degree. So now this will meet at one point that we have to take as a not base angle. Y and z we cannot take. So x we are writing here. Now we got this line PX, that is the 15 degree line, right? Draw the perpendicular bisectors of PX and as well as XQ. So here I will draw the perpendicular bisectors roughly. So it will cut at one point. We have to take this point as Y. And what about this one? Here also we have to draw one perpendicular bisector. It is here it will cut, let it be, take it as a Z. So now XY to be joined, we will get a triangle here. Right? So here Z equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree we will get, here 30 degree. How we are getting the justification, that I will explain last part only. So let me see the steps once again. What we have done? First we have drawn the perimeter length, that is PQ equal to 11 centimeter. Now whatever base angle is given, 30 and 90, that we have constructed respectively at P and Q. Now what is the next step? Angle bisectors to be drawn. So we are making 30 is into two equal parts, 15 and 15, here 45 and 45. These two angle bisectors will meet at one point, that is called the other letter, that is X. Now with PX we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors. Similarly QX also one more perpendicular bisector we have to draw. Respectively it will cut the line PQ at Y and Z. Again join XY and XZ to get the required triangle. Now I'll read the steps of construction. Draw PQ equal to 11 centimeter. You will have the rough idea now. See the steps now. PQ equal to 11 centimeter, right? What is the next step? At P 30 degree, Q 90 degree, construct the angles. So here 30 degree construction, here 90 degree construction. Now what is the next step? Draw the angle bisectors of angle P and Q which intersect at X. So we got the point X now. Now what is the next step? Draw the perpendicular bisectors of PX or XP we can say, or XQ. So respectively it is meeting at Y and Z respectively. Join XY and YZ to get the required triangle XYZ. What is the first step? We have to draw the 11 centimeter equal to the perimeter. So we are drawing a line 11 centimeter. Here P and Q. Now at P, what is the first base angle? 30 degree to be drawn. So first 60 degree, then again we have to do the bisection of that one, then only 30 degree we'll get. So normal 60 degree construction first, we have to draw a semicircle, and with the same radius only one cut, that is 60 degree, right? So we are extending that one, so we are getting 60 degree here. Okay, what is the next step? Again we have to do the bisection of 60, then only we will get 30 degree. So more than half of this one already it is equal to this arc only, so a little bit we have to reduce the radius. Now this point we have to keep correctly. Here the first arc, from this end the second arc. Okay, so according to the question 30 degrees required, that we have drawn here. Still it is not completed. What is why it is not completed? The angle bisectors of this 30 degree to be drawn for the construction step. So first we have constructed 30 degree. Okay, again one more bisection of 30 degree to be done, then only 15 degree to be get. So angle bisector of 30 degree to be drawn. It's a little bit difficult because the arc length is less. Okay, now we have to extend the line correctly. This is 15 degree now. Now what is the next step? At Q we have to make a 90 degree at Q, because the Z is 90 degree, so 90 degree construction to be done here. So normal 90 degree construction, we have to draw a semicircle first. From here, first arc, again the second, here also, actual angle is 90 degrees, so angle bisector to be done. Last time it was actual angle is 30, then bisection to be done, that is this line, right? Similarly here also we have to do the angle bisector of 90 degree. From here, okay, a little bit difficult for me this one, for this side it is. Okay, okay, now these 2 points, that is this angle bisectors intersecting at which point? The other letter of this triangle, that means base angle is y and z only, so here I will mark it as a x. What is the next step? Once we got the x point, now with the px and qx, so we have to draw the angle bisectors. Again perpendicular bisectors, not angle bisectors. Now we have to go for the perpendicular bisectors. First I will go for this side. So this line is there, so more than half to be taken because it's a perpendicular bisectors. Little more radius I should take. Okay, so this point P here, little big arc I'll use. Okay, from this end, x point to be taken. Okay, it's not cut, so again we have to extend this side. So first perpendicular bisector is completed. For which one? It is px. So that px we have drawn here. Now I'll join this one. Here it is. Okay, so which angle we have taken here? Angle y equal to 30 we have taken here at P. So this point we should mark as a y. Similarly, the other perpendicular bisector for qx to be drawn. So here I'll get I'm joining these two perpendicular bisectors point of intersection. So this is that line and it is cutting at this point, so we are going to mark this as a Z. Z is 90 degree. Now from X to be joined here, Z and X to Y. So this is the required triangle XYZ. So we got a triangle here, many lines, many arcs are there. It is little bit confusing one only diagram, and I'll do one more example, that time it will be very clear to you. Okay, now we can see the justification. So yp equal to yx we have written. Why it is like that? Because y is lies on the perpendicular bisector of px. So yp and yx, see, these two are equal. And similarly this side, which is the perpendicular bisector, this line is the perpendicular bisector and z lies on it. So zq and zx are equal. Zx and zq are equal only. Now what is the meaning of this one? If these two are equal, the base angles are equal. See, already it is 13, first it was 60, then it is bisected, we got 30. Now another bisection is done. So what is this angle? It is just a 15 degree. If it is 15, this is also 15 only. Now what about here? First it was 90, angle bisectors we have done, so it is equal to 45 degree only. Now again we have marked two equal angles here, so this is also equal to 45. Right, now we have to check that whether y equal to 30 and z is equal to 90. When you consider this triangle PXY, this angle is the exterior angle. So exterior angle means the sum of the opposite interior angle, so it is equal to 30. Again 45 and 40, this is the exterior angle here, so this is equal to 90 degrees. So the original value we got here, angle y equal to 30, angle z is equal to 90. So here that only we have written, when yp equal to yx, the base angles are equal, both are equal to 15 degrees. Similarly, both are equal to 45 degree in this side. After that, which property we have to apply? Exterior angle property we have to apply, respectively y and z equal to 30 and 90. One more problem we are going to do, that time it will be very clear to you. One more question for practice. Construct a triangle PQR whose perimeter is equal to 14 centimeter. Angle P 45, angle Q is equal to 60 degree. First you will have the rough idea what are the steps for constructions. So what is the step? We have to draw the perimeter which is equal to 14. So we are taken here PQR only. So I am taking the letter now X and Y. XY equal to 14 centimeter. Respectively, at P 45 degree, Q 60 degree. So I am not going for the constructions. First we have to go for 90 degree construction, then angle bisector, then only 45. Here directly 60 degree. So 45, let us take that. This is the angle 45 only. Now here 60 degree. Okay, now what is the next step, you tell me? This should not meet. Even if it is meeting also, we don't have any problem. We will not go for that one. That is not our concept. Again 45 to be bisected. So here angle bisectors to be joined, and here 60 to be bisected. This will be the one of the vertex of the triangle. So angle P and angle Q are the base angle, so naturally this letter will be R. So angle bisector of 45, angle bisector of 60 will meet or intersect at the point R only. Now what is the next? Once we got this one, perpendicular bisector of XR to be drawn, this will intersect at P, and here RY to be drawn, this will intersect at Q. Now we have to join PR and we have to join RQ for getting the triangle. So once again, draw the line equal to perimeter. Now respective base angle to be constructed. Once over, we have to do the angle bisectors of the respective angles. It meet at the third vertex of the triangle, that is R. Again the perpendicular bisector of that respective lines, it will intersect XY at P and Q. We will get the original angles there and join PR and QR to get the respective triangle. So again see the steps. XY 14, right, perimeter length. Now 45 degree and 60 degree angles constructed respectively. After that angle bisectors of 45 and 60 to be drawn which intersect at R. Once we got R, what is the next step? Draw the perpendicular bisectors of Rx and Ry which meet XY at P and Q respectively. Join RP and RQ to get the required triangle PQR. Now we can go for the construction, then you can see the correctly. So already I have drawn 14 centimeter line here. Next 90 degree construction, 45 degree. So I have done 45 degree. Here what is the angle? 60 degree. Only one line drawn, here 60 degree, right? These are the constructions we have drawn first. This is XY equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Now this is the first step. If you understood this one, what is the next procedure? We have to draw the angle bisectors of 45 degree and 60 degree. So I'll use the different sketch now, then it is very clear to you. Here 45 degree is there, angle bisectors more than half to be taken. So here I'll draw first arc and here second arc. Similarly 60 to be bisected. Now we should extend this one, right? We should extend this angle bisectors of 45 degree and 60 degree. So we will extend it, it should intersect at one point. So first we will join this one, 45 degree bisector. Okay. Now 60 degree. So which are the base angles is given, which letters they have used for the base angles? P and Q. So what is the letter to be given for the intersecting point here? R. Now we got XR and YR. We have to draw the perpendicular bisectors, right? We have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of XR and YR. So here more than half to be taken. From R it is. Similarly, the perpendicular bisectors of YR also. Okay, more than half only required. We can make it little bit less compared to this length. So one more time here. What is the next step? We have to join this perpendicular bisectors. So correspondingly we have to take here P and here again the perpendicular bisectors to be drawn, the intersecting point correctly mark, then extend, which is this point A. P, R is over Q only, right? Which is the angle for P? P equal to 45 degree, Q is equal to 60 degree. Now we should join PR. Again QR. Slight deviation is that. Okay. So we are getting PQR is the required triangle. See, PQR is the required triangle. So how to do the justification? P is a point on the perpendicular bisector. PX equal to PR. Now the base angles are equal. first and here second. So it is 45 by 2, it is 22.5 only. So here also 22.5, here also 22.5. If it is 22.5 both the angles, this will be the exterior angle for the triangle. See the triangle, so it is again 45, sum of the opposite interior angle. Now this is 60 and it is bisected here, so we are marking as a 30 only. Now QY and QR are equal, right? So what is the next step? Base angles are also equal, so this is also 30. So what about this angle? This angle is 60 degree by exterior angle property. Now what you can say about the perimeter? Perimeter already it is xy equal to 14, right? It can be written as xy can be written as xp plus pq plus qy. Xp is which length? It is xp equal to PR. PQ there is no change, it is side of the triangle. QY is replaced with the QR. So we got the perimeter also here justified. Here angle we justified by the exterior angle property, and the perimeter we have used here by the perpendicular bisect property. So Px equal to PR we have written, QR equal to QY we have written, XY means XP plus PQ plus QY. PQ there is no need of changing, XP to be replaced with the PR and QY is replaced with the QR. So total length is equal to 14 centimeter. Now what about the angle? We are using the angle bisector concept here. So 45 is bisected here. Again both the angles are equal, base angles are equal because the angle opposite equal side. Again exterior angle property, so sum will be 45, here 60 degree. So we justified. Little bit more than many arcs are there, so little confusion will be there. By practice you can do it very easily. With this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.